Let's get back to talking about this weather situation. What's coming tonight? You had a little timeline to talk about here.
Exactly. We're going to get to the timeline, and it is snow that you might need to bring your umbrella and then have your snowshoes ready too. So let's take a look at what's happening outside. Yesterday at this time, we actually started to clear out. We saw a little more sunshine. Today, that's not the case. The clouds are still building. We're seeing a lot more of them, and actually some light rain, some snow has started in parts of our high country. So where are we at right now? Parts of Logan County getting some of that rain right now. Actually, almost the whole county covered in that. We have a little bit of snow in parts of Rio Blanco County, but lots of cloud cover right now. And if we take the clouds away so you can actually see what's happening, we have rain and snow off to our northwest in parts of Salt Lake City, and then also still down in the southern part of Utah and also up in parts of Wyoming right now. Wider look at what's happening across the country. We do have a system that's moving through to our north in the Dakotas, also a little bit of snow in parts of the northeast, but down south, it's Mardi Gras today, so New Orleans actually having a very soggy Mardi Gras. They have a lot of rain right now, actually some pretty heavy rain in that area, and actually could see potential record low highs for the day. That's not usually what they see this time of year. Let's take a look at what's happening with our futurecast. As we put this in motion throughout the afternoon, by about 5 o'clock, Denver could start to see some rain. This is up near Fort Collins, and then heavy snow in parts of the high country. As the evening goes on, by about 7 o'clock, we could be getting some heavy rain here in Denver at times, and then again, some heavier snow in parts of foothills. Take a look at Larimer County. You could get a lot of snow at this point. By 8 o'clock, we're still on the rainy side. Snow line is just off to our west there. And then we'll see this change over to snow by about 10 o'clock. So it happens very quickly from about 8 to 10 o'clock at night. We have pretty much a line all the way from the San Juans up into our northeastern corner of snow. As the evening goes on, by about 1 a.m. starts to lighten up here in Denver. Heavier snow is off to our eastern plains. And by about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, it's done here across the Front Range. But we still have snow in the southeastern corner. And then that even fizzles out early in the morning hours, and then we have sunshine throughout the day on Wednesday. So any snow we do see will probably be very quickly gone. Looking at some models here earlier this morning, numbers were barely showing up on this. So again, we always talk about how storms change. Well, this is one of those. So as we zoom in here to the Front Range, I showed you this map just a minute ago. We can see about 2 to 4 inches here across the Front Range tonight through tomorrow morning, and up in the foothills, you may see a little bit more than that. Our northwestern corner, we can see about 5 to 10 inches of snow. This is through about 6 a.m. tomorrow. This now extends into parts of the San Juans and into Crested Butte. Winds right now, it's windy in the southern part of the state, but here in the foothills here across the Front Range, we're not seeing winds too bad right now. Get a little gustier this afternoon as we start to see that front approach us, but 57 right now in Denver, 59 in Boulder. We have the 40s and 30s in the high country. We're looking at highs today in the 50s, and out into the eastern plains, you'll see the 50s as well. So for our day planner today, 55 degrees right around 2. We have a chance of rain starting after about 4 or 5 o'clock in Denver, and for our 5-day forecast, tomorrow we stay warm at about 55 degrees, and then we do see another chance of some snow and rain on Thursday night into Friday, but we could get close to 70 on Thursday, and then we'll have a chance of rain and snow through about Saturday.
That snow is just not going to hang around.
No, it's gone fast.
Thanks a lot, Lauren. The Corvettes swallowed by a sinkhole in Kentucky are coming back to the surface.